To Allah belongs the universe, so beautiful. The planets, stars go floating past, obeying His will. To Allah belongs the earth and sky, so wonderful. Oh, the oceans wide, the mountains high, the animals. Looking at the sky, so many million miles over space and time, there is only one God. From a treetop, watch the sun start through a dewdrop. There is only one God. There is only one God. Praise be to Him.
His love is eternal.
My life is His.
There is only one God.
Glory be to Him. La ilaha illallah. To Allah belong the jinn, the angels, and all men. From fiery fire pure as light,